Education refers to the art of imparting and transferring acquired skills and knowledge through teaching, training and research. Article 13 of the United Nations 1966 International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights recognizes the right to education for all. While most of the world has advanced in terms of professional skills, it is but a pertaining fact that the right to education is a privilege enjoyed by few. The need for selfless and compassionate educators is an essential fact of the current teaching atmosphere. The challenges of effective teaching to combine profession and humanism are many.
Therefore, TAU has crafted its online education programs with an aim to contribute to the breed of dedicated and committed teachers at every level. TAU offers cost-effective distance and online learning programs in education at postgraduate and doctoral levels.
TAU offers these programs in academic partnership with the University of Central Nicaragua, UCN, which is UNESCO IAU-listed autonomous university.
Postgraduate programs. The PG programs offered by TAU are Master of Arts in Teaching MAT in Early Childhood Education, Birth to Grade 3, Special Education K to age 21, Master of Science in Adult Learning, Early Childhood Studies, Education, Education Accelerated, Higher Education, Instructional Design and Technology, School Counseling, Nursing MSN.
The postgraduate programs have been strategized so that they benefit you in both professional and personal growth. You may want to upgrade your arts degree to a professional teaching one, or you may want to expand your knowledge in child development, adult learning, college teaching, etc. TAU's online PG programs offer you the requisite standardized training in all these specializations.
PhD programs. TAU's doctoral programs in education are PhD in Education with the following tracks: General Program, Educational Technology, Leadership, Policy and Change in Education, Learning, Instruction and Innovation, Adult Education Leadership, Curriculum, Instruction and Assessment, Early Childhood Education, Global and Comparative Education, Higher Education, Self-Designed, Special Education.
TAU's doctoral programs are for those who wish to engage in further research and address the current needs of quality teaching. Therefore, there is a range of concentrations offered by the TAU which accommodate you in credible evaluation techniques, creative instruction, identification of global teaching needs, their effective address, and so on.
TAU offers all the online programs in tuition partnership with University of Central Nicaragua, where the final transcripts and degrees are offered by UCN.
The main feature of education program is to gain knowledge and competencies through blended learning in an appropriate interplay of course material, practical work and research.
Students are expected to follow the prescribed curriculum, work in real-time situations to acquire necessary teaching skills. Weekly reports on skill acquisition must be submitted. Understand the contemporary innovation and research in the concerned specialty by doing article reviews.
While being research-based, the curriculum trains individuals in multitasking, problem-solving, project management and other standard professional skills, offering a competitive edge in the job market. Because of the flexibility of time management, the distance and online education programs are preferred by the full-time workers. There is ample opportunity for the applicants to customize their choice of learning through TAU. This is made possible by a supportive and expert faculty, inclusive and updated study content, and an advanced online learning and training program curriculum.
Advantages of TAU's online education programs: 24/7 accesses to the learning platform, advanced curriculum and updated content, qualified and efficient tutors, user-friendly platform with good faculty support, solution to the real-time difficulties for working professionals, flexibility of study pace, saves costs on travel, food and accommodation in a foreign country, sharing knowledge ideas with like-minded students in the program from various nationalities, choice of course in nursing as per convenience and requirements, no difference in certificates of online and on-campus programs, programs in similar lines offered by universities in USA, UK, etc., provision for placement assistance throughout the Caribbean region.
I have enrolled in Master of Counseling program with TAU. So far, it is giving me the leverage of working and training at a professionally higher platform. What I like about the program is that it involves practice and theory in an equilibrium to sensitize my understanding and application skills.
Be it the revelation of a wide learning experience or the merging of different cultures into a newer set of thoughts and ideas, TAU stands at the threshold of an evolving education system. We invite you to be a part of this very evolution. Enroll now at www.tauedu.org.